Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a series of parametric trusses by defining lines. As you can see here, by changing the location of the line, the truss can also be updated. We can control the height, the division, truss toggle, and there is going to be a width, which is going to be the offset we're going to use, and a thickness. So this Grasshopper tutorial for beginners is going to help you to understand how to simply convert a line into a parametric truss using Grasshopper. Okay, let's get started from scratch. Okay, first I'm going to just draw two lines. The reason I'm drawing two lines is because I want to get involved on some grouping methods, and we have to have multiple lines, so I'm going to start with two. Let's go to the params menu and use this geometric curve, set multiple curves, and just select this. So the first step is to move this up. I'm going to move, let's go to the full names, and I'm going to use that Z direction because we're going to define two lines and give that to the truss component. So I'm going to define a number slider for this, maybe from 2 to 10 based on the unit you have, and let's rename that to height. I'm going to put that here, and here you can see that we can control the height. Let's just make all of them a bit smaller. Okay. After producing the second curve, which is the movement,